In the previous video, we had a brief introduction to character arrays and character strings. We have learned how to declare a character array or a string. We have learned how to initialize the values of a character array or a string. But the difference between a character array and a string is still a bit blurred. In this video, let us take a look at what exactly is a character string and what is a character array. In a character array, we consider data as a sequence of characters. We have a collection of 4 items here: C, S, E and end of string. It's an array of items. It is referred to as a collection of items. Whereas when you consider a string, this is an example of a character string. We consider CSC as one block of data. We don't consider it as C, S and E separately. Instead, we consider CSC as one item or one block of data. This is the difference between a character string and character array. Other than this difference, character string and character arrays are mostly the same, and the way in which we access them, the way in which we operate on them, everything remains the same. In this video, we'll also be learning about how to read and display character strings. Let me go ahead and create a character array called city, and it is going to have a maximum length of 10 characters. To read a character data type, we make use of the format specifier %C. To read a string or a character array, we make use of %S. However, in case of character strings or character arrays, you need not really specify an ampersand. So I can just remove the ampersand and write simply city. This is how we read the character array from the user. And then to print its value, we make use of the printf statement city :%s. %s is the format specifier for a character string. So here, this is the format in which I want the data to be displayed, and in place of %s, I want the value of city to be printed. So this is the format, and these are the set of values that are going to be assigned to the different placeholders. Now I'll run this program, Mangalore. So it prints city equals to Mangalore. I'll run this program again, and this time I'll give the city name as New York. It prints the city as new. Here you can notice that the scanf statement stopped accepting values after a space was given after new. That is why city is printed as new only. It simply ignored whatever was given after the space. If we still want to be able to accept strings which contain spaces in them, instead of scanf, we can go for another function called getS. GetS is for getString. So getS, write the name of the variable into which you want to read the values that has been entered. Instead of scanf, I'm going to use getS in this case. Whenever you make use of getS, you usually get this warning, but it's okay, you can just ignore it and make use of the function. So I'll go ahead and I'll give New York again, and the city name is New York. Whenever you want to enter a sentence with spaces, with new line characters or tab spaces, etc. in it, you have to make use of getS.